All right, we're going to find the surface area of this regular pyramid. And here is the formula for the um, area of one of these pyramids. It is we take 1/2 the perimeter times the slant height. And lucky for us, the slant height's given. And then plus whatever the area of the base is. And the area of the base here is, since it's a square, is the length of the side squared. Okay? So we say 1/2. What's the perimeter of this? Well, let's follow my laser pointer around. It's 5, 5, 5, and 5 for a total of 20. And what's the slant height? It is 7. Plus, area of the base is really just 5 squared. Okay? So when we calculate this out, we then say 1/2 of 20 is 10, and 10 times 7 is 70, plus 5 squared is 25. So we get then an area of 95, and what are the units? They are feet, so feet squared. And, did I do that wrong? Say 20 times 7, 70. No, I don't think I did that wrong. So I'm not sure why the answer is not here. I wonder if anybody else has a different opinion, or am I doing something wrong? It could be when I made these questions that the values got changed, but the image did not get changed. So I'm going to actually look at, hold on. Okay, so I'm back. My best guess here is that the image does not match up with the answers, and this answer is actually my answer of 95 feet squared is correct. I would love it if you would correct me, but let me just go through a couple more calculations real quick, just make sure that, like, let's say the base times the height of one of these triangles. So if we did 1/2, oops, if we did 1/2 the base of 5 times 7, the height, right, we'd get 35, and half of 35 is 17.5, and we have that 4 sides, so 17.5 times 4, carry the 2, 7 times 4 is 28, plus 2 is 30, carry the 3, 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7, there's one decimal place, so that part is 70, plus the area of the base, which is 5 times 5, which is 25. No. This is right. My answer is right, and it looks like there's answer choices given are not correct. So let's go with this as your answer and be done with it. Sorry, there's no proper answer choice for that. That's my mistake, but now we know.